Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you a hint that if you think that your car's this gearbox or this transfer case or gear or transfer axle is leaking oil, how I can check that how much they leaks oil. And now I have in here this Toyota RAV's this transfer case, and I have add this my gearbox, this small transfer gear full of this transmission fluid. And after that I install in here clean A4 paper sheets in here down, and I wait about 1 day. And if I can see in here any drops in this my paper, then I can think that my gaskets or sealants are leaking. But like in my case, if this is totally clean, this paper sheet, then everything is fine and there is no any leaks in that area. This is really excellent hint to find leaks, and also when we look at drop side in here, we can right away go in up and think that this area is leaking. Okay, thank you for that information what I can give to you.